Apple TV flashing light? Here's how to fix it. Apple TV flashing light? Here's how to fix it. Apple TV flashing light? If your Apple TV is showing a flashing white light, this is a common issue. There are many different reasons your TV may not turn on. Instead of panicking and calling an Apple repair store, try following these steps. They may solve the problem within a few minutes. The first step is to restart your Apple TV. If this doesn't solve the problem, try changing the resolution. This should fix the problem. Update the firmware. Secondly, you should try updating the firmware on your Apple TV. Some problems occur during the update process and cause the LED to flash. If this is the case, you can force the Apple TV to restart and perform a factory reset. This should solve the problem and allow you to use your television again. If this doesn't work, you can try to connect your Apple TV to a different television to see if the problem persists. Perform a factory reset. If you've tried all of these and nothing works, you may need to perform a factory reset. Sometimes, this solution isn't enough. The next step is to try to forcefully restart your Apple TV. In some cases, the issue might have been caused by a software update that interrupted the device. However, if the flashing light continues, it's probably a hardware problem. If the problem persists, you can also try to repair the problem by following the steps listed below. If all else fails, you may trying the troubleshooting steps above. While they will not solve your problem, you can use them to determine the cause of your Apple TV's flashing light. Remember to test each step thoroughly to ensure that the issue has been resolved. If you don't see any result, you can try unplugging your Apple TV and rebooting it. You will need to wait 5 to 6 seconds before you can reattach the cable. If you've tried resetting your Apple TV, you might have caused a problem that requires a factory reset. It is possible that your Apple TV is no longer receiving signals from your computer. In these cases, a factory reset will solve the problem. In other cases, you can try a different HDMI cable. This way, you'll be able to reconnect your Apple TV to your TV and see if it works. Restore it from its screen. If your Apple TV is experiencing flashing light, you should try to restore it from its screen. Sadly, this is not an easy solution. The light will not show anything on the screen. You'll have to manually restart it. This is not a good option if the flickering is severe. Then, you should try to restore from iTunes. But you may be able to see no signals from your Apple TV after this. If your Apple TV is still flickering, you can also hold down the home and menu buttons simultaneously and release them when the light flickers. This will force your television to restart. Occasionally, your Apple TV may start blinking. If this is the case, try resetting your device by going to Settings System Restart. You can also unplug your Apple TV from the power source. This should reset the device. If you've done all of these steps, it should now be working again. There are many other ways to troubleshoot your Apple TV, and the first one is by trying a reboot. If you've tried rebooting your Apple TV, you may have seen a white light blinking on the screen. The light is not showing any information at all, but you should still try this method. You may find that the light continues flashing despite the fact that you unplugged it. This is a simple solution to your problem. If you have no luck with a restart, you may need to reconnect the cable. The first step is to try resetting your Apple TV. The next step will depend on your model. If your Apple TV is using the HDMI port, you may be able to unpair it by connecting the HDMI receiver to a computer. A third option is to reset the Apple TV with the HDMI cable. Once this is completed, it will work as before. This will also fix any other problems your device may be experiencing. Pinterest, Twitter, Reddit, podcast, Apple TV blinking light.